Oh, my tripod, what's just happening? It's sinking. Below, in the comments below, in the comments below. Nice, that made a lot of sense. Especially, hello everybody. It's a summer makeup tutorial today, and oh my god, do you guys like my floral headband? I absolutely love it. Every summer I bring one of these things out, and this one I got from Claire's, I think. It has a tiny little sunflower and the other one is a chrysanthemum, I think. I'm not really sure, but anyway, I think it completely ties in with my makeup and my outfit, which also has a lot of flowers today. So yay, I'm actually loving everything about my look today. But if you want to see how I did this makeup tutorial, which by the way I must say is dewy, glowy, pretty much almost completely natural except for the lips, which I absolutely love. I think it's such a nice pop of color, especially for summer. And it has that kind of a highlighter thing going on. It has that very natural shimmery eyeshadow thing going on as well. So then continue watching. I'm starting off with the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation, assuming that you guys have moisturized and applied a good primer. This foundation for me is pretty much the best foundation I have ever used, because not only does it give a full coverage, but it is absolutely amazing to blend, especially with a beauty blender, and leaves a dewy finish. Next, I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW40 and dab it under my eye. Again, this is a full coverage concealer, and especially if you're going for a no makeup look, I think it's absolutely necessary to use a high coverage concealer. And again, to blend it, I've just dabbed with the pointy end of my beauty blender. To set everything in place, I'm using this MAC Prolong Wear pressed powder, and I am not really sure what the shade is. I'm gonna leave it in the description box anyway. For my eyeshadow, I'm using this second shade from the Maybelline the Nudes palette. This one, though it is shimmery, it is not like crazy shimmery. It's a very natural, subtle, shimmery brown shade. Next, I'm taking this matte brown shade just to define my crease and outer corner, just to create a little bit of depth, and just blend it a little bit until I am satisfied. Then I'm also gonna take a tiny little bit of this and apply it on the lower lash line. I want a slight hint of smokiness, but I am not looking to apply any kind of eyeliner or kajal pencil. I'm gonna skip the highlighter on my brow bone and dive straight into mascara. And because I'm still loving this Maybelline the Lash Sensation mascara, I'm just going to apply this both on the upper lashes and on my lower lashes. Then I'm gonna take this Revlon cream blush in the shade Smitten and just gently dab it on the apples of my cheek and just blend it. And this is such a natural shade as well. Somehow this does not make your skin go oily over time as well. Next, I'm gonna use this the balm highlighter, and this one has got gold shimmer. And remember, I didn't highlight my brow bone. That's because I wanted to use this one on my brow bone. I feel like this is better than the one that's in the palette of the Maybelline the Nudes. But anyway, look how gorgeous and glowy it makes my skin look. Absolutely love this to bits. Then I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade medium dark, and I'm using the same brush that I used to apply my highlighter. It's a teeny little bit small, but who cares? Just look how amazingly it gets the job done. So I would say never really be like, I have to buy this brush or that brush to make my makeup look flawless. Be a rebel and give it a go with the brushes that you have at hand, because most of the times you really don't need all the expensive brushes. Next I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Soar. This is such a beautiful creamy yet matte looking nude lip liner, and if you wanna keep this makeup look still very nude and simple, you may just apply this and maybe apply a little bit of a lip balm, or if you like the matte feel of it, you can just leave it as it is. But because I want a little pop of color, I am using this Maybelline Lip Balm in the shade Pop 7 and just giving it a slight application on my lips, and that completes this makeup look. That's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Also comment down below and let me know if you have any video requests, because I am in the mood for taking them and I might as well make those videos. So don't forget to share this video as well, because this is such a fun makeup tutorial. Subscribe if you're new here please, and I will see you in my next one. Love you.